Hi and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. This week on Monday, we'll be doing practice 2A, the unit 1 activity quiz 2A. And then if you did not get a chance to look at lesson 1C quiz or the week 1 activity, we are also going to take time on Monday to get those completed. Before I see you guys on Wednesday, I need you to please go through, watch and fill out notes for lesson 2B and 2C. On Wednesday, we'll work on your Unit 1 mini project in class along with the preview for 3A. Your homework will be to watch lesson 3A. Just a couple things I wanted to make sure to clarify. These preview and practice assignments that we complete in class together, those worksheets will be turned in for your homework portfolio, but we'll worry more about that near the end of the unit and I will help you guys with that upload. These notes that you take while you're watching the videos is what will be uploaded for your notebook check, but again, we'll worry about that when it gets a little closer. If you want to preview those assignments, they are under the Content tab under Unit 1 Assignments. I wanted to quickly take a look at this week 1 activity. So please make sure you take a look through this. Again, you can access it right through the announcement. Under this third tab here, you'll see the printable directions. It has a detailed of all of the parts. So there are 4 parts. Part 4 is what you'll be turning into D2L. This is to help you practice scanning papers, so when you go to turn in work for your exam, you've done this at least once. There are 2 different options down here if you'd like to print them out. And a couple videos to help you guys for uploading. When you're all set, you'll turn in your assignment right down here. And then I will go ahead and once everything's in, I will give you a grade for that. Any of the activity quizzes that you may complete ahead of time, if we didn't get to them in class, or once we do get to them in class, those grades will automatically update. If you need any help with the content that we've gone over so far, please remember I have student hours and you do not need an appointment for those. You're just welcome to jump on using that student hour link on your home page. Let me show you where that is real quick. So again, these student hours, you do not need an appointment for. If you cannot make these though, just let me know and then we can schedule something else. And then if you click here, this link is different from class. That'll take you right to my student hours. We do also have a virtual math center and the in-person math center. If you guys need anything in the meantime, please reach out and I look forward to seeing you guys next week.